Students, now we'll discuss or see Unit 4, that is Automation Devices. And on this chapter, there are total 20 marks in the annual exam. So there will be a 10 marks question plus 2 5 marks questions will be there on this chapter. First we'll see what is proximity sensors. So first we should know the meaning of proximity. Proximity means something it is very close, near but not touching is called proximity. A proximity sensor consists of an element that changes either its state or an analog signal when it is close to but often not actually touching an object. Magnetic, electrical, capacitance, inductance and eddy current methods are particularly suited to the design of a proximity sensor. A photomultiplier detector pairs represents another approach where interruption or reflection of a beam of light is used to detect an object in a non-contact manner. The emitter and detector are usually a phototransistor and a photodiode. Common applications for proximity sensors are counting moving objects, limiting the transverse of a mechanism. Or one more definition what we see, a proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical object. Proximity sensor detect the presence or absence of objects using electromagnetic fields, light and sound. Next we'll see types of proximity sensors. So the types are, first one, magnetic proximity sensors, electrical proximity sensors, capacitance proximity sensors, inductance proximity sensors, eddy current proximity sensors. So now we'll see the eddy current proximity sensors. So if you see the figure, there are two coils. One is reference coil, sensor coil, and a conducting object. And this conducting object, it should be always non-magnetic object. It should be non-magnetic object. So now we'll see the working. When a coil is supplied with an alternating current, an alternating magnetic field is produced. If there is a metal object in close proximity to this attending magnetic field, then eddy currents are induced in it. The eddy currents themselves produce a magnetic field which distorts the magnetic field responsible for their production. Consequently, the impedance of the coil changes and so the amplitude of the alternating current. This change at some preset level can be used to trigger a switch. Advantages of eddy current proximity switch. They are small in size, relatively inexpensive, high flexibility, high sensitivity to small displacement. So next we will see capacitance proximity sensor. So in the figure you are able to see there are two plates. Object plate is the ground plate and one more is sensor plate, and in between these two there is a dielectric medium. It consists of a simple plate with the object earthed acting as the other plate. As the object plate approaches the sensor, separation between the plate of the capacitor and object changes, which becomes significant as the object is close to the sensor. Inductive proximity switch. An inductive proximity switch consists of a coil wound round a core. When the end of the coil is close to a metal object, its inductance changes. This change can be monitored by its effect on a resonant circuit and the change used to trigger a switch. It can be only used for the detection of metal objects and is best with ferrous metals. So next we'll see pneumatic sensors. So in the diagram we can see that normal applied air pressure, there are two openings. So downside uh, low pressure air inlet is given, all the air is escaping out. Whatever we give down, it is escaping out in the down portion, and on the top there is some blockage has been done to this escaping air. So next, same figure, low pressure. Now there is some object to both of this. Then what happens? The compressor air pressure inside this chamber increases because of the blockage. So it is an indication that there is a object presence on. Pneumatic sensors. These sensors involve the use of compressed air, displacement or proximity of an object being transformed into a change in air pressure. So now we'll see the working. Low pressure air is allowed to escape through a port in front of sensor. This escaping air is in the absence of any close by object, escapes, and in doing so also reduces the pressure in the nearby sensor output port. However, if there is a close by object, the air cannot so readily escape, and result is that the pressure increases in the sensor output port. The output pressure from the sensor thus depends on the proximity of objects. Pneumatic sensors are used for the measurement of the displacements of fraction of millimeters in range, which is typically to 3 to 12 mm. Relay. Relay means on off, general we tell. Relay is an electromagnetic circuit maker or circuit breaker. Types of relays. Different types of relays categorized based on working principle are electromagnetic relays. They are once again divided into two: attracted armature type relay, PMMC type relay, permanent magnet moving coil. Electrodynamic relays, thermal relays, reed type relays. They are again divided into wet type, dry type. Photosensitive relays, solid state relays. Working of electromagnetic relays. Electromagnetic relays working principle are divided into attracted armature type relay, PMMC type relay. Attracted armature type relay. So if you see the figure, so there is a armature in the center, so there are coil windings are done, and on top there is a lever, and this lever or thing, it should be iron, taken as iron, and there is a spring to the yoke, and there are two contacts. Now working principle, when we give the voltage, so this armature, it becomes a temporary magnet. So down portion is magnet, upper one is iron, so it attract means what? It puts the pressure on the contacts, So the motor which is off will get on, or if something is on, off. We can make it trip. It works on electromagnetic attraction principle. It is a general purpose relay. Yoke supports the coil and armature. It provides an easy path to the flux. When the relay coil is connected to the circuit to be controlled, a current proportional to the voltage will flow through the relay. When this current exceeds the set value, the relay becomes magnetized and attracts the armature against the spring action. It closes the relay contacts and closes the trip circuit. Electromagnetic relays are normally designed for 110 volt to 250 volt operating current 1 ampere to 10 ampere, contact resistance 0.01 ohm to 2.2 ohm. Solid state relays. A solid state relay is an electronic switching on off device that switches on or off when a small external voltage is applied across its control terminals. The relay may be designed to switch either AC or DC to the load. It serves the same function as an electromechanical relay but has no moving parts. Applications of relays. They are used as protective relays to protect electronic equipment against abnormal conditions like overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, etc. They are used as transmission relays in communication systems to generate and transmit signals. They are used as indicating relays to indicate through bells and buzzers abnormal conditions like fire, smoke, theft, etc. They are used as counters for counting entry into a place. They are used as automatic switching device to operate street lights, garage doors, etc.